Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you guys are all well and keeping safe. Now guys, in today's video I just wanted to show you something that I've been dying to get my hands on for the longest while, and the lovely Sarah over there at Chicnetic Lashes has kindly sent me a pair, and I'm so excited to try them out and see how they work, because I know a lot of us struggle with putting our lashes on, and putting on lashes can be quite a task and it gets messy at times. So this is especially for the ladies who struggle to put their lashes on and don't have the patience, like me myself, even though I love wearing lashes, to actually wait for 40-50 seconds or a minute even to let your lash glue dry in order for you to apply your lashes. So I think these lashes are the way forward. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the lashes, and then I'm going to apply them and then tell you how I feel about them. And I'm hoping that you guys will, give me feedback and tell me what you think about these lashes as well. All right, lovely. So this is the box the lashes come in. It looks like that. Sorry if it's a little bit too bright for you. So that's the box it comes in. I love the packaging. I love the eyes right there. And then it says magnetic eyeliner and lashes. So let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, so when you open it, guys, it comes with, I think this is what the lashes come in. That's the lash case, and of course an eyelash tweezer, and that's the eyeliner. So it's quite a compact little kit. So when you open it, I love the rose gold packaging, by the way. You can't go wrong with rose gold. Very clean, very simple, love it. So when you open the lash container, you have a mirror right there, which is very, very handy, so you can use it to pop your lashes on. And then it comes with two separate styles of lashes. It has one at the top right there and then one at the bottom. So the one at the bottom is a little bit more flirty, it has longer lashes, and the one at the top is a little bit more natural looking. So we're going to go for the little bit more flirty lashes, guys. So I'm going to carefully take it out of the lash box, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Of course, it comes with an instructions paper right here. It tells you how to use it and how to remove, and tips and so on. So that's quite handy if you want to know how to apply these lashes. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and just, apply it. Okay guys, are you ready? I'm ready, and I'm quite nervous because I've never done this before. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Okay? All right, let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I've already read the how to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and line my lash line area. So they just said just draw a line across your lash line area, and then you pop the lash on. Very simple, very easy. So that's exactly what I'll be doing. Let me bring you guys in some more. Okay, let's do this. So basically we are going to draw a line across like so. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and pop the lashes on. So boom. Okay, let's do this, guys. Look at that. As soon as you put it down, it just sticks right on. No hassle. It just sticks right to the liner. Okay. So let's try this and see if it's well. Okay, so it's on, guys. It's not going to budge. It's not going to move. So that's what it's looking like. I wonder if I should use some mascara to blend my own lash in. Let's see. Let us see. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but I just wanted to blend my lashes in a bit. I didn't do too much, guys, but basically, yeah, that's the lash on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go ahead and do the other eye real quick. So this also saves you a lot of time and a lot of pain, basically. Go ahead and pop the lash on. Like so. It just, look, grabs it. Boom. So after you're finished, guys, I'm guessing you can go ahead and just blend your own lashes in to make it look more natural. But basically, this is what it's looking like at the moment. Very easy. They just popped on so easily. Little to no effort here. Okay, so let me see if I can go ahead and put some mascara on that. So guys, these will stay on all day. When I tug them like that, they are not moving. When I tug them, they don't move. So that's a good sign. That shows you that you can wear these out for the whole day and they won't budge. All you have to do is just take your time. On the little paper right here, it tells you how to remove them, and it doesn't take a lot of time and a lot of effort. So basically, guys, this is what the lashes are looking like. They're quite natural lashes. All they do to your own lashes is add a bit of length, nothing too much. So don't be scared, ladies who don't like dramatic lashes. Don't be scared. These are very natural looking. They just add a little bit of length to your own lashes. So this is what they are looking like, guys. Okay, sorry if my eyes are a little bit red. They're irritated because hay fever is kicking my butt. So yes, basically, guys, these are what the lashes are looking like. Very easy. Alright, my lovelies, so that will do for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys. When you shop on their site, you will get 30% off when you use the code Shauna30 at checkout. Make sure that you go ahead and check them out. All their information will be down below in the description box. So make sure that you go ahead down there and check it out and go and shop on their site and try out some of these amazing magnetic lashes. Thank you so much, Sarah, for sending these over. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, I'm really liking these lashes, and of course I'll be trying some more. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Go ahead and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and turn your notifications on. Also, if there's anything else you'd like me to do on this channel, leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video, so let me know all of that in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.